Have you ever wanted to share your idea in class? Today's word is all about speaking up with confidence. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is assert. Can you say it with me? Assert. Let's spell it together. Ready? A-S-S-E-R-T. That's assert. Assert means to speak or act with confidence and strength. Here are some words that mean the same as assert. Say them with me. Declare, like saying, "This is my favorite game." State, like telling the class your name. Proclaim, like cheering proudly at a pep rally. Express, like sharing your feelings with a friend. Affirm, like nodding and saying, "Yes, that's true." Each one shows the power of speaking with confidence. Now let's look at the opposites of assert. Yield, like giving up your turn without saying anything. Doubt, like not believing in your own idea. Hide, like keeping your hand down in class. Withdraw, like stepping back when it's time to share. Hesitate, like saying, instead of your answer. That's what happens when you don't assert yourself. Here's a great example. Sofia had to assert her idea during the class discussion. She spoke with confidence so her classmates could hear and understand her opinion. Let's look back and remember. Assert means to speak or act with confidence and strength. Synonyms: declare, state, proclaim, express, affirm. Antonyms: yield, doubt, hide, withdraw, hesitate. When you assert yourself, people hear your thoughts clearly and respect your ideas. Here's your challenge. Assert yourself today by sharing your favorite food, color, or game. Bonus points if you explain why it's your favorite. When you assert yourself, people hear your thoughts clearly. It helps others respect your ideas. Keep speaking up, superstars. It helps others respect your ideas. See you tomorrow for another adventure with Word Up with Sofia.